RMK and welcome back to the vlog. And for today's video is gagawa tayo ng dalgona Milo, pero hinihintay ko lang si Ate Ina kasi siya yung kasama ko na maggagawa ng dalgona Milo. So, yeah. Today is April 2, 2020 and itatry na natin finally ang ever viral na dalgona. Pero yung sa amin na gagawin namin is Milo kasi ayaw namin ng coffee. Hindi kami mahilig sa coffee, so Milo na lang. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.
So for the ingredients, we have the whipping cream to make our mixture more dense. We have fresh milk, but any milk will do. And then of course Milo, sugar, and glasses, and a bowl. And of course hot water.
Guys, we're back. And nandito na si Mami Ina.
Hello.
And yun nga, gagawa kami ng dalgona. Nandito kami sa terrace dahil dito maganda ang lighting. So, ayan. Kita nyo naman sa last clip yung mga kailangan. Milo. And then, ano to? Kahit anong milk, di ba? Kahit anong milk. Tapos ito, optional lang to. At yung, ano namin, yung recipe namin, ay galing kay, Erwan Yusuf, tama ba? Parang inspired kay Erwan Yusuf. Tapos, ayan, syempre sugar. Yan, sana masarap yun. At saka hot water. So, din na namin yung thermos. Wala lang. So, yun, ipapakita namin sa inyo.
So for our first try, we decided to add 3 packs of Milo, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of hot water, and 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. But this is not the normal way to do it. The normal or the common way to do it is 2 tablespoons of Milo, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. We decided to do the 3 packs and everything that I said earlier because we wanted everyone here in the house to taste the dalgona. But then we decided to time the whisking, which is 5 minutes as a start. Because whisking is a long process, we added 10 more minutes.
So guys, habang sa Ate Ina ay nagagawa pa rin ng dalgona dahil mahaba-haba itong prosesong ito. Ayan, sa pag-whisk matagal dahil kami ay mano-mano lang. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon ay bibidyohan natin si Mami sa loob ng bahay sa kusina dahil siya ay gagawa ng fried chicken. Wait lang, ingay. Pero yung fried chicken na nabili namin ay fried chicken ng Jollibee. So yan, excited na kami. Lalagyan namin siya ng mga breading and keme-keme. So yan, papakita ko sila sa inyo now na.
This is the frozen chicken cut-ups that we got from the grocery, and it's from Jollibee, as you can see. And I don't know the price of this, but according to an article, it's about 199 pesos. For the breading, my mom decided to use crispy fry, and this is the process of coating the chicken. She decided to put the chicken into a big plastic bag so that it will be easier for her to coat every single one. The whole process that my mom did is roll the chicken with the breading and with the egg and with the breadcrumbs, and later we'll be proceeding to frying.
Few inches later.
Update on our dalgona coffee. After several minutes of whisking, it's still not dense enough, so we decided to put 2 tablespoons of chilled all-purpose cream, and now let's see what happens. For the second try, we decided to make a small version of the thing that we did earlier. 2 tablespoons of Milo, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose cream. Second try was a fail again, and now here we are to our last try. We decided to put all-purpose cream first, or to mix all-purpose cream first, so that it will not be clumpy when we mix it to the Milo mixture. After mixing the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose cream, we decided to add 2 tablespoons of the Milo mixture, and let's see what happens. We added 2 more tablespoons of the Milo mixture to make it more sweeter, and finally, it's a lot more denser than the first and the second try.
Ito na yung finished product. Sarap. Sarap. Hinalo ba to? Hinalo ba to?
Pwede, depende sa'yo. Gusto mo ihalo.
Sarap.
Para kumalat yung ano, yung Milo.
Sige, haluin natin. Ang sarap. Puro gatas yung titikman ko. Wala ko natikman. Gatas lang. Oo. Narito na po tayo. Sama ang dalgonang feel. Masarap. Masarap ba?
Masarap. Lasang upo.
Lasang hindi! So, ito na. Ito na yung Jollibee Keme. Chicken Joy. Fried chicken. Kasama ko talaga yun. Sarap. Sarap. Lasang Jollibee. Hindi siya super lasang Jollibee. Okay guys, pawis na po ako right now and katapos lang namin kumain at naghuhugasan na pala. Yes naman, sipag. And, upload ko pa din to.
Takpan mo yung mukha ko na emoji.
Hindi pwede. And yun, ang masasabi ko sa Jollibee ay hindi siya kalasa ng Jollibee, pero masarap siya. And walang tapon doon. Puro laman ang sarap. Ikaw naman masasabi mo sa Jollibee Chicken Joy inspired? Hindi, magsalita ka.
Masarap.
So yun. So yun, masarap daw. Masarap nga siya guys, pero hindi siya yung sarap level ng Jollibee. Tapos yung dalog na natin, no? Dalog na milk. Napaka-fail. And yun, try namin ulit gumawa bukas. And pasensya na kayo, kaming dalawa lang yung nag-feedback dahil ayaw nila magsalita dito sa bahay. So yun. Yun lang for today's video, for today's vlog. So like and comment and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye.